back. I'm so glad you're here. I am Coach Julia, and if you don't know who this person is, this is Dev. And usually Dev is behind the camera, but they're out here helping us today. We're gonna do a video all about things that you can get your skater for Christmas. Yay, Christmas shopping. Yes. I know Black Friday is coming up this weekend.
That's true.
We gotta be making those shopping lists. So we are here to help you with some ideas for things to give your figure skater.
This is my Zika bag. This is what I put my skates in. It's super easy to move around because it's got 2 sets of wheels in the back, so it can go up and down stairs, which is super nice. The handle makes it really long, and you can sit on it and use it as a stool when you're tying your skates if there's no bench room. And there's lots of storage on the inside. I've always got my shoes in here because my skates are on. I can't get it open. And then you can decorate them. So you can put a bunch of pins on the front like I have, little charms, stuff like that. You have a bunch of side pockets you can stick all kinds of things in. I have all my old CDs in there, warm-up pans, stuff like that. And then lots of space on the front, more packaging on the other side. And so this would be one of my first suggestions for a Christmas gift.
Another great piece of equipment that a skater in your life would love is a spinner. So a spinner is a piece of equipment we use off ice, so out in the lobby or at home, that helps us practice our spins and improve our technique for when we're out on the ice. Now there's a couple styles that I really like, and there's a couple that I think are actually somewhat dangerous. So I will tag some links down below to my favorite spinners. There's 2 main styles. These are like a plate with a rocker on the bottom, and these are great for helping train your foot for how that rocker feels. They also are really easy to port around and take them to different places, and some of them even are designed to help you with your jumps, okay? So there's one, an Adea E spinner, that helps with taking off for jumps. So that's a great design. The other is 2 plates with bearings in between. And the nice thing about this style is that you can do it in any surface. You can do it in the park on the grass. You can do it in your bedroom when there's carpet. It's a little bit heavier, so harder to transport around, but it's so versatile that it's really nice for practicing in a lot of different surfaces. So a spinner would be a great gift for the skater in your life. Another great piece of equipment that every skater should have is some kind of a wall bag. So we have 2 different designs wall bags here, but they're both made to fit exactly perfectly on this wall. Yep. They've got pockets to put all your little goodies in. Let's go over some of the gifts you might get them that go in the wall bag. What do you have in your bag?
Most importantly, water bottle. Mine's a little beat up. It's seen better days. Yours is so much nicer than mine.
Well, mine's new.
That's true. Got our branded merch.
Yes.
Yeah.
A good water bottle. You want to stay hydrated.
Very important.
I like the kind with a little flip top. Do you?
Yeah.
Yes, a flip top. It makes it easy to come over here and grab some water really quick. And you want one that you can put your stickers all over. Yes.
All kinds of fun stuff.
Another way of showing your personality. Now the cool thing about both of these is they both will have both hot water or cold water. So when I'm skating, I like something cold to drink.
Yeah.
But
Same.
when I'm coaching, I want something warm because I freeze out here. So this can also work like a thermos, and I can put like hot tea or something in there. So what else do you have in your bag?
I have a skating notebook, which, you know, I'm not the best student, I'm not gonna lie. I don't use this very often, but it's mostly that I get off the ice and my hands are cold. Okay. I don't want to write on it, but if you're someone who likes to write, these are really, really good.
So I really like this practice notebook.
Yeah.
This one's one I recommended to you.
I got this for a Christmas gift, actually. Like Perfect. 2 years ago.
Someone was checking on the right
on
things.
Yeah.
Okay, so the cool thing about this one is it has little sections for each practice session that you have, so you can write down the skills that you practiced and the things that your coach wants you to remember, so that you're keeping track of what you worked on, and also Axel's help. You literally wrote Axel's help.
I must have been having a bad week.
You must have been. But yes, a practice notebook. I always say you should write down notes after your lessons, so a notebook is a great idea. I have in here my AirPods because, well, you need this on your Christmas wish list then.
There we go.
So out here when we're practicing, we need to be able to listen to our music on repeat so we can practice our routines to music. It's one thing to practice silently and really finesse the skills, but you need to be able to practice it to music, and you cannot always do it on the loudspeakers. Sessions get so busy. So if you or your skater does not have some good earbuds for listening to music yet, put that on the Christmas gift giving list, because this is actually a really important tool. I feel like I cannot do my session well enough if I don't have the ability to listen to my program music.
I just annoy everybody else on the ice.
And
I just play it off my phone.
oh, you play it off your phone. It's not as loud that way. What do you hold your phone up to your ear? Okay, well, I do also have a Bluetooth speaker, but I use this for when I'm teaching, not for when I'm practicing. Okay, I need to get my student under control here. You need to be getting some headphones. You are wearing one of my merch designs from this summer.
I am. It's
What's
my
it say?
favorite. Oh, Flutz. Which, I mean, do I flutz that often?
You
Not
flutz all. No, I'm giving them a hard time. Get over here, Deb. I'm giving Deb a hard time. They're actually not a flutzer.
Yeah,
But
thank you.
Oh, flutz is like when you're trying to do something well and you mess it up. It's like when you go into a Lutz and you accidentally do a flip, that's a flutz.
Yeah.
So you got my Oh Flutz gear on. I am wearing a piece of our new Christmas merch. I've got a bunch of different designs. They come in some really cozy sweatshirts, beanies, some really warm hoodies. So go on, I'm gonna post a bunch of links down below. You can check out my new skating merch for something warm and skating related that your skater can wear this year.
Another great thing to get would be ruckers. These are what we wear like if you need to walk outside for any reason, or you need to just like keep your blades safe while you're walking around the rink. These are my favorite colors, so I got them in my favorite colors, just to keep the skates nice and safe. And then the fan favorites, the animal soakers. These are to help absorb water when you're storing your skates. They keep them safe while you're storing them. Normally I would wipe them down with a towel first, but you can see how cute they are, little wolfies.
Some cute skating themed stocking stuffers are also a great idea. Skating themed stickers for their water bottle or pins for their bag are fun ideas. These stickers are all my own design and are available via my merch shop. I love this necklace given to me by a group of skaters years ago, and there are so many other really cute jewelry designs like it that would make a lovely gift. This summer I found this really cute ice skate cookie cutter, and I'm actually thinking of getting them for all of my students this year. Even if you're not a skater and are just a fan of the sport, having ice skate cookies at Christmas time is just so nice and seasonal. All right, skaters, I hope this gives you some great ideas for things that you might want for Christmas. You can send this little wish list off to the people who might give you things, or if you're shopping for your skater, there's links all down below to a lot of these things that you can click on those and get them ordered and wrapped in time for Christmas.
Yay!
All right, if you enjoyed this video and if you enjoyed these ideas, please do give us that thumbs up. And as always, we look forward to reading all your comments in this section down below. If you haven't done so yet, then hit that subscribe button and the little notification bell down in the corner so you can see all our videos when they come out. Happy skating, and we'll see you next time.